Snapchat fam? I'm gonna bring you guys an exclusive challenge today. Only here on Snapchat. I told you guys, I'm back on Snap and I'm giving you guys exclusive content. So today, we're gonna do the taste test challenge on the kids. For those who don't know what that challenge is, basically, I'm going to blindfold them and feed them different types of foods and see if they can guess what it is, okay? So we're gonna start with going around the house and picking these foods. All right, so I'm gonna keep picking these items out, and then in the next frame, you guys will see them being blindfolded, so keep watching. So I'm gonna give them a variety of things. Some that taste good, some that taste bad. Okay, some that are really hard to try to figure out. So let's start with, what about like, dried fruit? Let's try this. That'll be good to give them. What about like an almond? Okay, that's good. I'm gonna give them like 3, 4 each. Let's see if we get the most right. Maybe like part of a Pop-Tart. Too easy. Oh, a cereal. What about like one of these cereals? Yeah. Oh, hot Cheeto. Perfect thing to give them. Should I have them try some dog food? Who wants to taste test first?
Me!
Okay, so
I have to first.
Okay, so relax. I'm gonna blindfold you, and then I'm going to feed you one of the secret items. Don't look. Okay, and you have to try to guess what it is. If you guess right, you get a tally underneath your name. Whoever has the most tallies at the end of the game will get whatever they want.
I got candy.
He wants candy. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's put the blindfold on. Remember, do not peek. If I catch you peeking, you are disqualified and you will not have a chance to win.
Okay.
Okay, you can't look, you can't see, right?
Yeah.
How many fingers am I holding up?
1.
Can you see?
No.
You promise?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let me pick out one of these delicious items. Okay. All right, open your mouth. Try to guess what that is. Chew it.
It's a hot chip.
A hot chip. What does that mean?
It's a chip, and it's like a Cheeto, but it's hot.
So it's a what?
A chip.
Okay, yeah. But what?
Chips.
Okay, you're right, but what is it called? A hot what?
Hot tamale.
You said no. You said it's a Cheeto and it's hot, so it's a hot what?
Cheeto.
There you go. You got it. Good job.
Hot tamale.
You said no. You said it's a. Okay. You can't see, right?
Yeah.
You can't see?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, how many fingers am I holding up?
Candy.
Okay. All right, sit over here. I'm about to feed you food, okay? All right, you're about to have one of these delicious items. Don't look, Elle. Don't look. Step away. I'm gonna feed it to you. Hold up one sec.
No. No, still
You
no.
can't look.
You
You
can't
can't look. Hold on.
You can't look.
Okay, you ready? You have to guess what I put in your mouth.
What is it? No, what is it?
What do you think it is?
Egg.
You
You
got it right.
Egg? It was egg?
It was egg. So now he gets a tally next to his name.
No, I'm gonna do a tally.
Okay, if you win the game, you get candy. You haven't won yet.
What, tally?
Good job. You can't see, right? Can you see? How many fingers am I holding up?
Daddy, that one mine.
No, not yet.
She said I don't know.
Okay, all right.
Daddy, that one mine. Daddy,
Okay, you ready, Lele?
that
All
one
right, you
mine.
get to tell me what you think it is. Lele got it right. Thank you. Lele gets a tally. You thought it was dog treat? All right, so you guys are tied right now.
Not me.
All right, here we go. All right, you can't see, right? All right, tell me what you think it is. Ooh.
I know that is Krispy Kreme donut.
You guys are too good at this.
Krispy
All
Kreme donut. So
Belle gets another tally. Who's up next? Still boy? Still, you up?
Yeah.
All right, put your thing down a little bit so you can't see. All right. Okay. You ready, man?
Yeah. Yeah, Daddy.
Okay. You ready? Go. Hey, what you? Don't look, dude.
You can't
You
look.
can't look. Look this way. Look this way. Okay, ready? Open your mouth. What is it?
What is it?
What are you doing?
What is it? What is it? Cheese. You knew?
Okay. You got it right though. He eats another tally. This dude said cheese.
You're so smart to me.
Okay. All right.
I love you.
Lele, keep this on your head so I don't have to keep doing it, okay? You guys ready? Lele, you ready?
Yeah. No, I want to.
Okay. Eat it.
Take a bite.
What is it?
Let me
Damn.
show you. Top top. Top top. Top top.
Ew. Don't tell her. You have to try to wait.
No, get it back up. Because it's your turn now.
You got Belle's turn.
I'm scared.
Stop, Lele.
Still here. Still stay here.
Okay, you ready? Here we go. What is that?
Ew. That's meat.
That's what?
Meat.
Meat? Like what kind of meat? Like
Meat that you put on your sandwiches.
okay. What's the word? Starts with, I'll give you a hint, starts with a T.
Ham.
Not ham, starts with a T.
Meat.
It starts with a T.
Tea.
You don't know? You give up, you don't know?
Yeah.
Alright, no point for you. Turkey.
Turkey.
You should know
Oh
that.
my gosh.
Okay.
It's my turn.
Your turn, your turn.
It's my turn. No, your turn is after.
Alright, don't look still, boy.
Don't. You're picking your head up. Don't look. I'm not gonna look, right?
Okay, you ready?
What is that? Candy. No.
Okay. But what kind though? It's not candy, it's something else.
That grandma gives us every morning.
Don't help him. What is it?
Candy. No.
It's not candy, dude.
What is it? What is it?
What is it? You don't know what it is?
Candy.
Okay, spit it out. Spit it out so you can see what it is. You ate it all. Dude, it's a vitamin.
It's a vitamin that grandma gives us every morning.
You remember now? Alright, so no point for him.
No.
Lele has a chance to take the lead. You can't see, right, Lele? Lele has a chance to take the lead right here. You ready? Here we go.
Ew, no. A nut. A nut. Ew, a nut.
It's not a nut.
A nut.
It's an almond. Close to it, close to it. So Lele said a nut. It's close to it. An almond's a nut, but we want exactly what it is. An almond. Elle said meat. Turkey is meat, but it's not turkey. So we're being very specific. So now we're going to the last round. Okay? Whoever gets this one right wins the surprise. All right. You're up, Elle. Okay, Elle, you're up. Elle's up. Close it, Elle. Okay. You ready?
No. I made it. Cucumber.
She got it right. I thought it was a kiwi. Is it cucumber or kiwi?
Cucumber.
Kiwi's a fruit?
Yeah.
Oh,
Both of them.
good job.
Got it right.
Okay, you ready? Here we go. Let's see if you can get it.
Cheetos.
All right, still one, still an L or tied. Okay. Okay, you ready, Lele? Okay, let's do it. Got this. Huh? Meat. Meat. It's meat, but what kind of meat? Don't say anything. What kind?
The one that we put the salmon.
Okay.
Georgie Mike.
Jersey Mike's. You're so. Well, what is it called? It starts with a T.
Chicken?
Huh? Turkey. You guys all win. You guys are all winners. Give me a hug. You guys are all winners. Let's do it. Come here. You guys are all winners.
We're going to Target.
All right, let's take it. So the kids decided they wanted to come to Target for their surprise since they won the game. We got 3 winners here. Right, push them, let them go.
No.
See you guys.
Peace.
Oh. Right, push them, let them go. Animals are free. The animals are free. Go. One item only. One item only. One. You can get whatever you want to get. You're right. One item. Go ahead. What the? This dude grabbed the first item he saw. What the? Hey.